Ever thought of investing beyond the stock market? In this video, we're diving into the future of finance, exploring 15 unconventional investments that go beyond stock market norms. From the freedom of debt-free living to the hidden gems in art and collectibles and the frontiers of digital real estate, we're uncovering opportunities that promise not just growth, but a legacy. Prepare to expand your portfolio's horizons and future-proof your wealth with strategies that challenge the traditional, setting you on a path to financial independence like never before. Foundation investments, debt-free living. Starting with the idea of living without debt, it's like having the ultimate advantage in your financial life. Think about how it would feel not to have any debt hanging over you. Paying off your debts isn't just about fixing the negatives in your financial situation, it's about achieving true freedom. This step is significant, leading to financial independence and opening up opportunities without the weight of previous debts. Health as wealth. Shifting our focus to health, treat your well-being as your most prized asset. It's easy to overlook, but your health is a critical investment that pays dividends in the future. Proper nutrition, regular physical activity, and preventive health care are investments that keep you from draining your wallet on medical bills down the line. More than that, staying healthy ensures you're in the best shape to pursue your financial goals. Spiritual and emotional health. On the mental and emotional front, maintaining your inner wellness is crucial. Investing time in activities that foster mental clarity and emotional stability is akin to investing in the market's best stocks. It's about strengthening your decision-making power, reducing stress, and enhancing your overall quality of life. Peace of mind and emotional resilience are invaluable assets in navigating the complexities of financial planning and investment. Embracing these three pillars, freedom from debt, physical health, and mental well-being, sets a solid foundation for your financial journey. Each is an essential step toward not only financial prosperity, but a balanced, fulfilling life. Real assets. Real estate mastery. Starting with real estate mastery, it's all about location. Imagine owning a slice of the city everyone wants to live in. This is about securing a spot that holds its allure through the ages. Whether it's a cozy apartment in a bustling city center or a serene spot near the hottest tourist attractions, the right location in real estate is like owning a piece of history, always in demand and perpetually valuable. Land ownership. Moving on to land ownership, this is your play against the ever-diluting currency. Buying land is akin to planting a flag that says, "This is mine through and through." As the world grows, land doesn't. It becomes more precious. It's not just a plot of land, but a legacy. Something that can be handed down through generations, growing in value all the while. It's wealth that you can stand on, literally. Art and collectibles. Then there's the world of art and collectibles. Imagine having a painting on your wall today that's worth a small fortune tomorrow. Investing in art and collectibles is about the thrill of the hunt and the joy of holding on to something that not only appreciates in value, but also brings beauty and history into your life. It's a sophisticated side of investing where passion meets profit. These real assets are the cornerstones that bring stability, diversity, and a dash of elegance to your portfolio. Financial instruments, S&P 500 index funds. First up, S&P 500 index funds. Think of it as the greatest hits album of the stock market. You're getting a piece of the top 500 companies without having to pick each stock yourself. It's like betting on the entire chessboard rather than a single piece. Over time, this simplicity and spread offer a smoother ride through the ups and downs of the market, making it a smart play for both newbies and seasoned investors aiming for solid long-term growth. Emerging technologies and cryptocurrencies. Next, we venture into the electric terrain of emerging technologies and cryptocurrencies. Here, the air crackles with innovation and the chance for eye-watering returns. It's where fortunes can be made overnight and, yes, sometimes lost just as quickly. Tapping into this space means doing your homework, embracing volatility, and being ready for a roller coaster ride. For those with the nerve, it's an exhilarating part of modern investing. Dividend stocks. And then there's the steady allure of dividend stocks. Imagine owning shares in a company that pays you just for holding them. It's like getting a thank you note in the form of cash again and again. These stocks can create a stream of passive income, cushioning your financial plans and providing a safety net that grows over time. It's investing with an income in mind, a strategy that combines growth with financial support. Together, these financial instruments form a trio of opportunities, each with its own rhythm and rewards, ready to play their part in your wealth-building symphony. Personal growth investments. Continuous learning. Now think of your brain as a bank account where every bit of knowledge is a deposit, making you richer in wisdom. Investing in financial education and personal development isn't just about reading books or attending seminars. It's like transforming yourself into a magnet for opportunities and ideas. It's learning to navigate the complex world with ease and confidence, ensuring that you're always growing and evolving. Networking and relationships. When it comes to networking and relationships, envision each connection as a pathway to undiscovered possibilities. Cultivating a robust network goes beyond merely accumulating contacts. It involves fostering authentic relationships that unlock doors to unforeseen opportunities. This process creates a treasure trove of resources and support beyond the reach of monetary value, rendering social capital a crucial element in your investment mix. Travel experiences. Diving into the realm of travel experiences, consider travel not merely as an escape from routine, but as a vital investment in expanding your worldview and enhancing your understanding of the globe. Every destination visited presents distinct lessons, insights, and viewpoints that have the power to alter your perception of success, joy, and your role within the vast tapestry of life. It's a journey that enriches your existence with experiences designed to inspire, provoke, and catalyze profound personal transformation. These investments in personal growth are the seeds for a richer, more fulfilling life, cultivating a wealth that transcends the material and ensures your growth is as boundless as your ambition. Future-proofing strategies. As we look toward the horizon, securing our future in an ever-changing world requires some forward-thinking strategies. Let's learn how we can future-proof our wealth with savvy investments that resonate with both our conscience and our pockets. Sustainable and green investments. Starting with sustainable and green investments, consider this. As the world shifts towards renewable energy and eco-friendly solutions, there's a golden opportunity to be part of this transformative journey. Investing in companies leading the charge in sustainability. These investments promise attractive returns as the global economy greens and aligns your portfolio with the health of our planet. It's about riding the wave of the future today. Digital real estate. Next, let's explore the digital frontier with digital real estate. In an era where online presence is as tangible as brick and mortar, owning a slice of the internet through websites, domains, or even virtual properties in expanding online worlds offers a unique growth avenue. As digital landscapes continue to evolve, the value of these assets climbs, offering a modern twist on the age-old wisdom of property investment. It's a chance to stake your claim in the digital gold rush. Long-term healthcare planning. Finally, we turn to long-term healthcare planning. With advancements in medicine extending life expectancy, preparing for the golden years has never been more critical. Investing in healthcare funds or savings plans ensures that, when the time comes, you're not just surviving, but thriving. It's like laying the groundwork now for a future where you can enjoy your wealth in good health. Implementing your strategy. All right, let's roll up our sleeves and get into the nitty-gritty of turning these ideas into action. Crafting your action plan is step 1. Begin by sketching out your financial goals and assessing your current situation. This roadmap is your blueprint, tailored to guide your investment journey. Start small if you need to, but start now. The path from here to future wealth is paved with consistent, informed choices. Next, stay sharp and stay informed. The financial landscape is always shifting, with new trends and opportunities emerging. Subscribe to newsletters, Follow thought leaders and immerse yourself in the financial world. Knowledge is power, and in the investment game, it's your best tool for making savvy decisions. And let's not forget about risk management. It's about finding your balance on the investment seesaw. Mix it up with high-risk options like cryptocurrencies and the steadier, more reliable returns of index funds or real estate. This balance keeps your portfolio resilient, ready to weather storms and seize sunny days. Implementing your strategy is about moving from dream to action, with knowledge, planning, and risk awareness as your trusty companions. Let's make it happen. Which investment caught your eye? Or maybe you've got a killer strategy of your own that you're willing to share. Drop it in the comments below. If you're excited about these opportunities, smash that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on making your financial dreams a reality. See you in the comments.